Feeling fatigued by content creation for your business? What if I told you you could create brand new content with just a few clicks? Content creation is a huge part of any business nowadays, but it can be exhausting to be the content creator, editor, producer, and business owner all in one. This is where CapCut Commerce Pro comes in. In this video, I want to walk you through the platform's commercial templates menu. Here, you can create new image and video content for your business, so you'll have so much more time and energy on your hands. We're going to go over picking out a commercial template, editing with ease, and ensuring that all of your content is copyright-free and above board. Be sure to head over to commercepro.capcut.com to check out the commercial templates for yourself. You can start a free trial of CapCut Commerce Pro right now with your standard account, so there's really no excuse not to try it out. I also want to make sure that you're subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel because we post a ton of tutorials and product updates to help you take your content to the next level. Don't miss out. All right, let's head into the commercial templates menu and check it all out. When you head into the templates menu, the first thing you'll see is the search bar at the top. Here, you can type in specific keywords to find video or image templates. But if you're not entirely sure what you're looking for, you can see a ton of video templates here to scroll through. You can sort these templates by industry, so if you're only looking for templates that have to do with apparel, beauty, and travel, you can check those boxes to filter your results. You can also filter the templates by theme. So for example, let's say you're trying to create a piece of content to promote an upcoming shoppers event in your city. Check the box next to events promotion and you'll only see templates that work best for highlighting upcoming events. You can also choose the duration you're looking for as well as the aspect ratio. But let's say you'd rather post a static image for your business than a video. Head over to the image tab and you'll see a ton of social media assets and poster templates. You can filter these by industry too, as well as theme and aspect ratio. Don't forget that you can use the image templates for video thumbnails too. If you're ever particularly feeling a certain template, go ahead and star it. It'll show up within the starred tab for your reference later. Once you find a video template you like, click on it. You'll get a pop-up with more information about the asset, like how many clips it requires, how long it is, and how many other times it's been used. You can also note the commercial availability here. When you click the information icon, you'll see the copyright information for the template of your choice. You always want to ensure that anything you're posting is available for commercial use, so this is very important to note. Thankfully, everything on CapCut Commerce Pro is commercially licensed, so you'll never have to worry about any copyright issues. It's actually really awesome that you can get free creative assets without having to fret about a thing. When you click the Use Template button, a new page will open. Here, you can edit your template. Click on the Edit Template button to add your own clips to the template. You can always reuse the same clips across multiple templates to create new, unique pieces of content without additional shoots. You can always make changes to the template itself by adding splits, deleting clips, or recording a voiceover. To record a voiceover, press the mic button on your timeline. From there, press the red record button, wait for the countdown, and then start your spiel. You can also edit the text on the template to highlight your particular product and messaging. To do this, just click on the text within the player and the basic text menu will pop up. Here, you can change what the text says as well as the font and style. To add any extra razzle-dazzle to your video, like captions or music, head over to the menus on the left. Within the captions menu, you can auto-generate captions from your voiceover or enter them manually. The avatar menu features a variety of spokespeople that you can insert into your video. Simply click the one you'd like to add and you can adjust its placement in your video on the timeline. When you're clicked into your avatar within the player, you can adjust it further within the avatar menu on the right side. Here you can adjust the framing of your avatar and determine what you'd like it to say. Heading back over here to the left, you can add additional text into your video within the text menu. You can completely customize your text from scratch or choose from a variety of templates. The audio tab houses all of your music and sound effect choices. The categories here at the top can really help you narrow down what kind of music you're looking for. Want to add any additional transitions or effects to your video template? Head into the Elements menu and scroll through your options. You can add stickers, stock videos, images, filters, transitions, and effects all right here. I say all of this to show you that you can really customize your video template to align more with your brand's look and feel. Even if your template of choice has been used many times before, you can always put your own unique spin on it. When you're happy with your video, click the Export button here on the upper right-hand side and you're good to go. When you export, you can either download the file to your computer or published directly to your social media platforms. Selecting an image template will open CapCut Commerce Pro's image editor. We have a full tutorial on the image editor that's already up, so if you haven't seen that yet, definitely go check it out. But here you can change up your text, images, and more to really customize what your final image looks like. It's totally up to you how much or little you'd like to edit your template. You can simply change what the text says and swap out the image, or you can add additional assets, move things around, and really customize the template the way that you'd like it to be. It's totally up to you. When you're at a good place with your image, go ahead and click the download button here at the top. If you're trying to save some time on creating content for your business, CapCut Commerce Pro is a must. Their commercial template library is second to none and has so many options for you to choose from. And did I mention that everything is licensed for commercial use? I did? Well, I needed to say it again, because that is a total game changer all on its own. What kind of templates are you using for your business? Are you more into image assets or video? Comment down below and let us know. And if there are any other CapCut Commerce Pro features that you'd like to learn more about, we would love to hear from you about that too. We'll be sure to keep the tutorials coming. All right, I will see you in the next one. Bye.